Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Gemini on your Android lock screen. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google, click on it, and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that go to settings. After that go to Gemini. And after that scroll down until you will find an option called Gemini on lock screen. Click on it. And you have to activate the first option, use Gemini without unlocking, to get like quick answers for your questions, set reminders, add events to your calendar, etc. And you also can use Google Gemini to make calls and send messages without unlocking if you activate the second option. And like that, you can use Google Gemini on lock screen. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.